This is the Dell UltraSharp U2424D. On paper, it's just another 27-inch monitor, but after spending a solid week with it, I found some surprises that Dell didn't quite spell out in the marketing. Is it really worth what they're charging? Stick around. I'll walk you through what impressed me, where it hits, and where it stumbles. Dell UltraSharp U2724D Product Overview. So what exactly is the U2724D? It's a 27-inch IPS Black monitor from Dell's UltraSharp line, a pretty well-respected name in the productivity and creator space. This model launched recently. Dell officially announced it around late 2023. Rather than being a pure gaming monitor, it feels made for people who blend work and play. Designers, professionals, and even the occasional gamer. The big draw? A QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Dell's factory-calibrated color accuracy. Dell UltraSharp U2724D Performance. Here's where the U2724D really shows what it's about. In daily use, writing, reading, multitasking, everything felt crisp, smooth, and easy on the eyes. That 120 Hz refresh rate isn't just for games. Scrolling in Word or Excel, dragging windows, even just bouncing between browser tabs feels a little more fluid compared to a standard 60 Hz monitor. PC World noted exactly that. The jump to 120 Hz improves motion clarity across the board. When I threw in some light gaming, nothing super competitive, the monitor did all right. But heads up, it's not a fast response esports panel. Dell rates the response time at 5 milliseconds in fast mode or 8 milliseconds in normal, which PC World argues is slower than most gaming-first monitors. Still, for casual games or productivity work, it definitely punches above its office monitor label. Features and tech. Let's break down why this monitor stands out and why you might actually care. IPS Black panel technology. This isn't your average IPS panel. Dell is using LG's IPS Black tech. That gives it a contrast ratio around 2000 to 1, meaning darker scenes look richer, deeper. That's a big step up from many traditional IPS screens. 120 Hz refresh rate. Yep, 120 Hz on a 1440p UltraSharp. You get smoother motion, and even regular desktop interactions feel snappier. PC World noted exactly that. The jump to 120 Hz improves motion clarity across the board. Color accuracy and gamut. Dell factory calibrates this to hit 100% sRGB, 100% BT.709, plus 98% DCI-3/DisplayP3. That's serious color fidelity, ideal for content creators, designers, or anyone who just wants true-to-life colors. Connectivity and hub. Ports are solid. DisplayPort 1.4 in and out, HDMI, USB-C upstream, plus a built-in hub, 3x USB-A plus downstream USB-C. Handy for docking peripherals without making a mess. Design and build. Design-wise, Dell did its typical UltraSharp thing, sleek, minimal, and functional. The monitor has a three-sided thin bezel, giving you more screen real estate without distracting borders. The build feels solid, mostly plastic, but with an upscale look, and the stand offers height, swivel, pivot, and tilt adjustments. It's thoughtful. There's a built-in ambient light sensor, and Dell's Comfort View Plus reduces harmful blue light without washing out the colors. And if you're worried about clutter, there's a cable management route in the stand. Pros. Excellent color accuracy right out of the box. Deep blacks thanks to IPS Black tech. 120 Hz makes work and casual gaming feel smoother. Eye comfort built in with low blue light plus ambient sensor. Cons. Not a super fast gaming panel. Response time is decent but not pro level. The upstream USB-C is data only, so you still need DisplayPort or HDMI for video in some setups. Final verdict. So who is the U2724D actually for, and is it worth it? If you're a professional or creator who wants great color fidelity, smooth motion, and eye-friendly design, this is a very smart pick. It's a especially strong choice for productivity-first users who want a little gaming on the side but don't need ultra-low latency. For casual gaming, it's perfectly adequate, but if you're into competitive esports, you might want a dedicated gaming monitor. On the flip side, if you're primarily gaming and want blazing fast response times or OLED-level contrast, the U2724D might feel a little